So okay guys, this is our dashboard. Once you log in inside of your dashboard or log in inside of your website, this is how this dashboard would look. And currently, as you can see, there are a lot of things present over here. You can remove this, or there is one more way by which you can remove them. Just clear untick all these things, and whatever the things that you want on your desktop over here on the dashboard, you can just keep them. But as of now, we are not in need of anything, so I will remove everything and just uh, just click on these screen options to make this undo. Okay, so as of now, as you can see, there are a few plugins which are already installed. If I'm just going inside of the plugins, then you can see that this is the first plugin, this is second, third, fourth. Okay, so there are some plugins which are already present over here. Okay, so these plugins what we have over here, these are uploaded by me. So because of which you are able to see all these plugins. Okay, so in this particular tutorial we will be in need of all these plugins. And okay, so once when you come to this plugin section, you can do one thing, click on add new, and whatever plugins that you have, you can do one thing, you can click on this upload plugin, then you have to select the plugin wherever it is. My plugins are basically inside of this folder. Okay, so what you do is whatever plugin that you want to upload, just select the particular plugin, click on open and click on install plugin. Okay, so sometimes it so happens that you are not able to upload the plugin from this portal. You cannot upload the plugin from this upload plugin section. So what you have to do is you just have to go to your hosting, the website where you have taken the hosting. So now let me just show you that procedure. So click on this manage. And over here you have to go inside of this plugin section. Okay, so just click on these plugins, and whatever plugins that are installed by you, you can you will be able to see all these plugins. So here you can just activate and deactivate these plugins from this point also. But let me just do one thing, let me just go back, just scroll down below, and wherever you might have taken the hosting, you just have to implement these changes over here. So just search for file manager. Okay, so instead of the file manager, you have to click on this domains. Okay, and you have to select that particular domain of yours, and then you have to go to the public HTML, and inside of this public HTML, you just have to search for WP content. Okay, and inside of the WP content, you have to go to this plugins. Okay, so whatever plugins that are installed by you on your website, let me just go to the install plugins. Okay, so all these plugins which are installed over here, you will find them inside of this folder. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just have to upload that particular plugin over here. Okay, so if any plugin is not getting uploaded from this section, then what you have to do, you just have to come to this plugins folder, and you just have to click on this upload files, and you have to select the particular file. Okay, so basically we'll get this error with the learning management system, this WordPress plugin. Just click on it and click on open and click on upload, and wait for it to get uploaded. Okay, so now that particular plugin has been uploaded over here, just scroll down, and where is that plugin? Okay, so here is that plugin over here. Just click on it, right click, and just say extract. Okay, so you have to extract this plugin over here. Click on the extract. Okay, so extraction has been completed. So now do one thing, just come to this plugin section and refresh this page over again. and by now you should get that plugin over here. Okay, so just search for that particular plugin. Okay, so that error was caused because now if suppose I'm going to this plugins, this plugin of learn-lms, then there is this one more folder which is a learn-lms WordPress plugin. Okay, so this shouldn't be happening, that there shouldn't be folder inside of the folder. Okay, so this folder what we have, it should be basically inside of this plugins folder, but inside of this plugins there is a folder named learn-lms WordPress plugin, and inside of that there is this again second folder. Okay, so because of which we are not getting this plugin appearing over here. So now what we have to do is we just have to move this particular file. Okay, so now let me just show you what is the issue. There is this folder which is learn-lms WordPress plugin, and if I'm just clicking on it, there is this one more plugin with the very same one more folder with the very same name. This shouldn't be happening. Okay, so this should actually override that external folder. So now what we have to do is we have to come over here, select all these files, then we have to copy it, and I don't think we are able to copy this. Or we can do one thing, we can say move, and we have to change this. We have to go to plugins, and inside of the plugins there is this select this, we have to select that particular thing, and we have to move. Okay, so now what you do is just go to the plugins, just scroll down below, and now as can be seen all the content is inside of this particular folder. And now this previous folder what we have, if I'm just opening it, there is nothing. Okay, so it's empty. So now what I'll do is I will again go to this folder, and I will delete this empty folder. Okay, I hope this is not confusing for you all. Okay, so now if I'm just coming over here and refreshing this, at least now we will be able to see the plugin over here, learn dash.